hustle.
Any base.
Come on, Juliana. Wait, no.
Good eye, Juliana. Good eye. Way to go. Good eye. That wasn't your pitch.
Wasn't his either.
Be selective. Let's go.
Run it!
Hustle.
Run!
Stay on the bag. Good job. Way to turn out.
Bases loaded.
Bases loaded.
Sarah, come on.
Sarah, get the big one here. Hey, we got bases loaded. Anything on the ground, we're running. Coach Andrews got you. Okay, you're going to go on the ground to second base. Coach Andrews got you.
Come on, girls. You could do it. Sarah, hit it hard.
Okay, here we go, Sarah.
Wow.
Hold it back.
Out. Good hit, hun.
You guys, if it's in the air, we don't just take off. Okay? Remember, they can catch it.
Or if they do, run back fast.
Target, target.
Foul ball.
Foul ball.
Foul ball.
Man, you gotta go after those, okay?
Okay, you guys are good. On the ground, we're hustling.
You guys got to run it. Okay, Sarah, you could do it. Oh.
I'll bring it up for you, Sarah.
Don't worry, we got it. Here we go. Oh, rock and roll's ready to roll. Keep your eye on it, Rachel. I mean, yeah.
No, that's Sarah.
Oh, no.
Oh, Rachel. Oh, Rachel's right here. Wow, go! Oh, run back! Run back! Run back! Back, Juliana!
Oh, you guys.
Tack first, tack first.
She's out.